Oats. Freaking grams in this bitch. The fuck? Boom, we're back. Day number 8 of the 6-week mini-cat. Woke up at 141.8 this morning because I cut out a few things today. I'm starting to track my calories and weigh out my food. So today's going to be kind of just a testing day, see where I'm at, see what I'm eating. And then tomorrow, obviously either keep doing that or add food or lose food. But yesterday I did cardio, so today I'm not going to do cardio. I'm going to do one day on, one day off. But today's workout's going to be good. I'm here 30 minutes early. It feels good, man. I'm going to go in there, get my mind right, get stretched, warmed up, because it's going to be an AMRAP workout, a lot of overhead squats, pressing, pistols, a lot of the stuff I'm not good at. So I'm going to go get ready and just do the best I can, because that's what it's all about. But yeah, man, why I'm wearing glasses. 2 days ago, I used a solution, which I thought was contact solution. It was actually stuff to sterilize and disinfect your little case, and I put a contact in my eye with that stuff in there, and it burnt the shit out of my eye. So I don't have any more contacts. I'm just using glasses. Luckily the headband keeps the glasses in place. I know I'm freaking looking all weird with this, but yeah, gonna go in there, crush this workout. I'm super excited for what's to come, man. My book today in the Daily Stoic was basically just focus on one purposeful thing and make the best of what you can today. At the end of the day, can you say that you made the best of the day and you gave your best? So that was really powerful for me this morning. And also another thought walking over here, I see all these businesses here. I live in a small town, so it's all just family owned, family run businesses. There's nothing more appealing and just inspiring to me. I don't care if it's a mechanic shop. I don't care if it's a, an auto body shop, a paint shop, whatever it is, whatever kind of shop it is. The fact that these people are business owners and they set out with a goal, with a thought in their head, and they're doing it. They have this business and they're doing it because they want to. Obviously, there's other reasons behind that, but the fact that they wanted to do it and they're doing it and they're prospering and thriving and they're on their own schedule, whether they're, before closing and after closing, where they have to, go in early mornings or late nights. The fact that they chose to do it and they're doing it and they like doing that and they're just all about it. There's something so inspiring and so appealing to me about that, man. And that's what I'm striving for. And I love it, man. That gives me motivation, just fire, man, and just craving the grind. So just a few thoughts, can go in there, get warmed up. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Welcome back to another voiceover. So here, just getting warmed up, nice and loose. Like I said, I was in here 30 minutes before class started. Just getting my shoulders opened up, my lats. I always do this PVC warm-up / routine. I love it. By the time I start, I'm super tight. By the time I'm done, I'm nice and warmed up, loose, feeling good. That's awesome for the lats, also for the shoulders. This I like doing for the core. It just engages my core and gets me thinking. What I try to do on that is really flex my core, pretending like I'm in a plank almost. And then just twist the trunk. Moved on into some rotator cuff movements. These little things are awesome. These bands, I've seen them in CrossFit gyms. I haven't seen them in, normal gyms. If you're just at a Globo gym or your gym doesn't have these, you can always use just a normal band. Or if you have like a cable pulley or the chest cable fly machine, you can always do that. Just don't throw any weight on there, maybe 5 pounds max, and just do 15 per side, 3 rounds. And then these are the hip flexor stretches. I always make sure I do these at least 15 to 30 seconds per side, 3 rounds per side. And then just stretching, reaching. I love those, man. This day, though, I was feeling sore, so got in there, foam rolled a bit. My calves, just from running, I could feel all the knots, man. I was just in pain, but it feels good after. Also, just something about getting in there early. I know it sucks to go in there and warm up, and you just want to go in there and go after it, but warming up, getting your mind right, and just thinking about the workout, thinking about what you're about to do really does help, and that's a good perspective. Right there, I did some lunges, obviously got warmed up, and now this was the actual workout warm-up. I love the workout warm-up when I'm warmed up for it. That's the best way I can describe it. I like getting in there, doing my little warm-up, stretching and everything, and then doing that warm-up, because honestly, their warm-ups get you sweating and they get you breathing. And I feel like you need to be warmed up for that, or at least I do. Anyways, moved into some shoulder presses, some alternating lunges with a kettlebell overhead, and then I think they're just shoulder tucks or jump tucks. So there's some overhead squats, some pistols, so I'm going to throw the lifters on for this. Obviously, it might be a little slower, but I'm not planning on being the fastest person out there, so just going to try and get through all the reps best I can. We'll see how it goes. Throwing lifters on here. Ever since I started using them, man, they've really been helping me with back squats, front squats, And also pistols. The pistols have been a game changer wearing lifters. That's the main reason. That's the main reason why I wanted to wear them. Also, because this workout had overhead squats in it, but I kind of screwed myself because there's burpees and jump rope. I was the only one wearing lifters. But yeah, I mean they really helped later on in the workout. Anyways, moved into these shoulder to overheads. I was doing like a purse jerk. Honestly, looking back at this footage, I was pretty happy with it. Later in the round, I started getting fatigued, started getting tired, and for some reason I didn't want to use legs anymore. But like she said, key here is pacing. Just trying to get a nice pace. It's a 7-minute AMRAP, so I broke it up into my head like, hey, I want to at least shoot for 4 to 5 rounds, whatever I can do. But as I got fatigued in these, I didn't want to use as much legs, which really makes no sense. I was like strict pressing it, but they felt good, man. I'm pretty happy with how those are looking. Honestly, just practicing those every day has definitely helped. Practicing them with no weight, the 5 strict press, 5 push press, 5 push jerk, split jerks. That whole little routine that I've been doing definitely been helping. This was at 95. I believe it was 10 and then 10 burpees. But it was a 7-minute AMRAP. It was brutal. The lifters, man, barely making it over the bar.
Brutal, man. We got 3 seconds, 3 minutes left to rest. So I finished up 4 complete rounds and then 1 more round of the shoulder to overhead and 8 reps of burpees. So pretty happy with that.
Okay, so these overhead squats, I don't know what the hell happened, honestly. If you guys can, I don't know why the bar was so off either way. And I don't know why I couldn't get it off my shoulders. Whenever I overhead squat, I always get it off, you know, like in the snatch balance, like, you know, back squat position. For some reason that didn't want to work this workout. Don't know what it was, but as you can see, the overhead squats were easy money. Moved into the single unders. Single unders for me, man, I just can't do double unders, save my life. But see there how it's like tough and I even lost it. I don't know why, but with the snatch, easy. And just position just right. Go straight into it, not a problem. I don't know why or what happened with the other one. So after that set, I just started power snatching it up. So pretty happy about it. Like, hey, heck yeah, I can power snatch it and then overhead squat. Feels good. But single unders, man. Can't blame jump rope, man. You just suck at double unders and single unders for that. Just got to practice them, man. I really just got to. This is the whole thing about starting CrossFit, man. There's so much to do and so much to practice. It's just like pick a few things, try and do them as much as you can, and then, you know, under different, you know, tempos, rep ranges, weight, that sort of thing. And just try to incorporate the other things at least once a week, at least twice a week, like jump rope. Luckily, we do that at least once, twice a week, so I'm definitely staying familiar with it. And honestly, this last week we did have double unders. I got a few of them in there, which is good. I was stoked about. But see, again, just went into the power snatch, easy money, and then the squats. Felt good. This workout was good, man. That's why I had the lifters on. The lifters definitely help with these, for sure. And as always, if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, man. Pumping out 2 videos a week. But yeah, I mean, I don't really know. Someone left a comment on one of my videos the last time. They said, hey, I'm glad, you know, there's another CrossFit vlogger out there. Yeah, there aren't as many either CrossFit vloggers or, you know, people making videos on CrossFit or functional fitness. That's what I'm trying to do. You know, coming from bodybuilding, functional fitness to CrossFit, I just felt like I could bring, you know, motivation, some tips, and just share my journey of, you know, starting CrossFit, man.
Alright, so I got 4 rounds of that, 4 completed rounds. So I managed to do 4 full rounds of that last exercise. It was 10 overhead squats and 60 double unders. I knew the jump rope was going to slow me down, so I made sure to just go hard on the overhead squats and then just focus on just getting those reps with the jump rope. Now it's going to be 10 pistol squats and 10 toes to bar. So we'll see how those go. All these movements today have just been, they're not my movements, but just doing the best I can, trying to get those quality reps in as many rounds as I can. So
the blissfully dissatisfied journey, but I'm loving it, man, and I'm excited for what's to come on this channel. If you do these types of workouts, or you're a, you know, you make videos like this, drop it below, man. Let me know. I had a few subscribers or a few new people come to my video saying that they're glad to see someone else doing these types of videos, that there's not many out there. And honestly, I haven't really seen many out there. I have some stuff planned for the next few months. I'm going to be going down to San Diego, collabing with some of the people from Invictus. Hopefully I can get some tutorial videos on the power cleans, different lifts. I know they excel at them. And one of the guys that I met out there while I was living in San Diego said, hey man, like, let's get a workout in sometime. I'd love to teach you or give you some pointers. Hey, might as well make a video out of it. And then also some of my friends that are in the bodybuilding realm, you know, my friend Hector Menez, other friend Chris Clark and Cameron Chase. They're in bodybuilding and they have some pretty big sponsors. They're doing good for themselves. They know what they're talking about, and I'd love to get some pointers for them. You know, just a little change up. So I'm excited for what's to come. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next commentary.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for the workout. That was 10 toes to bar and 10 pistol squats. Pretty good again. Stuff I'm not really that good at, but just did what I could, did my best. Managed to get 4 rounds, 1 full round of pistol squats, 3 reps at the toes to bar, so that's gonna do it. Workout completed. Look at this weather. Beautiful, sunny. I think it's 63. It's gonna be thundering and cold here in a little bit. Check it out. 233 grams. Boom. Right here, 233. So I just punch in 233. It's 127 calories, 25 grams of protein, and it's a shitload of food. So, boom. All right, this is the amount that I do every single day, and I know it's gonna fluctuate just because I do a 1/3 cup. So it's about 40 grams of oats right there. And then this bean. So the real OGs know that I've gotten roasted before for weighing out my peanut butter, so 22 grams. You're freaking weird, dude. No, I'm not. I just like good shit. A lot of people think that tracking macros is a pain in the ass and it takes a whole lot and it's gonna feed you from living your life. They just think it's a lot of work. Honestly, it's not too bad. Starting anything that's new is gonna be kind of hard at the beginning. You're gonna, you know, kind of get frustrated. You're gonna be slow at it, is what I'm trying to say. It leads to that frustration, but once you do it a few times, it's gonna become easy. And what I'm doing now is I tared the scale. All I'm doing is pouring my banana in here. I'm gonna punch into MyFitnessPal. And then 86 grams of banana, 86 grams, boom, and add it. I'm gonna keep doing that for the rest of the food I throw in there. Tare, it's gonna zero it out. You start throwing the gains in there. You throw the gains in your plate, you figure out how much gains you're throwing in there, and you log it. And then you eat it, and you go sleep, and then you lift again, and you do it all over again. You hear gains, you're like, oh goddamn, push weight, like shit. After that, you keep doing that. And honestly, strawberries are one of those fruits, man, that you can have a lot of and you're gonna get full from. And it's barely any calories. It's awesome. Freaking love strawberries. So I'm gonna go ahead and have 4 since these are kind of little tear. Actually, I'm not going for a set amount. Today I'm just tracking what I eat, like what I normally would eat. Go ahead and add that as well. Boom. Alright guys, so I want to show you something cool that I did. So basically what I did was I created a meal. So all I'm going to do next time that I have the same thing is I'm going to go in here to meals, and you create a meal. You just add whatever you're gonna add, whatever your meal is, and you save it. So now, let's say it's tomorrow and I'm having the same breakfast, same meal, same post-workout meal like I always do. I'm gonna go to add, I'm gonna go to meals, post-workout breakfast, that's what I named it, add, and it's all in there. And then what you can do is you can manually go in and tweak whatever you're gonna tweak. So I'm gonna add something to this, so you can always add food. So if you do those quick meals, if you create a meal and you have the same thing every day, I recommend doing that. Then you can just go in and add it. So right here I have 40 grams of oats, got the serving of peanut butter, got the mandarins, banana, strawberry, blueberries, and then the 1/3 cup of egg whites and spinach. What that comes out to is 604 calories. If you want to know exactly how much that meal is, it's gonna be, what I do is I just turn it sideways, boom, and then you can see it there. The whole meal is 604 calories, 69 carbs, 20 fat, 39 protein. Boom, so far 604 calories for the first meal of the day. And then what I'm gonna add, obviously, is the toppings.
such as the 0-calorie Walden Farms pancake syrup, the Himalayan sea salt, and then on the egg white, just some hot sauce and ketchup. Do I track that? My veggies? No, because the toppings obviously have 0 calories. If it was something like a barbecue sauce, it has calories, I would just put my plate on the scale, pour however much I'm gonna pour on there, and then track however much that was. Veggies, I don't really track, and 0-calorie stuff, I don't really track. I just make sure to use it moderately. But that's basically it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and crush this meal. I'm gonna make a video on how to track macros, more specifically how to use the app. Super easy to use once you use it. There's a few like little hacks you can use to make it a lot easier, just like that little quick ad that I've showed you. Not gonna lie, I haven't tracked macros in a good while, so this is gonna be good to see how much I'm actually putting in and how much I'm burning. But like I said, week 2 of the 6-week mini cut, day 8, and we're tracking, man. We're tracking, we're weighing out our food. Excited for what's to come. See you guys next clip. Boom, post-workout meal along with the vitamins. I'm gonna go ahead and crush this and do some editing and then go to work, so it should be a solid day.